everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And now I am need download driver Epson Echo Tank, and you type this here is tutorial, and you type the driver download. Okay, and please wait. I have searched the official website, and I am like download the official website. This driver for not a virus and driver first download. Okay, click here. This here the website, the epson.co.uk. Click here and please wait website loading. Okay, this here the driver. This here the website. Click sport. This here the title. Download driver and software. Click here and please wait for now. Okay, please wait. Okay, this here the landing page. Sport website download. Driver download, and you click here, you detect the system operation. Click here, this here the system operation for the Android OS, Chrome OS, and iOS Linux driver, and driver Mac 12 and driver Mac 11, and this here the Windows 8, Windows 9, uh, and Windows 11. This here the Windows 11, and this here the Windows 9, Windows 7, and this here the Windows Server driver, and Windows Vista driver, Windows SP driver. I am need download driver Windows 11 driver Epson Echo Tank Windows 11. Just click here the Windows 11. Click here. Select system operation. Click here and click button go. Please wait. Website loading. Okay, this here the setup product and Epson software update. Click here. This here the Epson software update allow you to update Epson software as well as download parts application. Please note to use this update, your Epson product must be turned and on the connect the to a computer with internet access. This here your computer connect the internet access. And click download and click install computer on internet. If you need install driver only, click here. This here the driver print only and driver universal print, and click here. And this here the driver universal, and this here the release update and field version and field side driver. Your driver for the uh, or release, that release, and this here or that release. I recommended for you. I am download here. This here driver universal print driver. You're here. This here driver I recommended for you. And click button download. This driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, install driver for the your laptop or PC. You turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please white finish driver download, and your run as driver. Uh, you run as driver, and you click neck, and you click finish driver. This driver detect allow automatic for the uh, the cable printer. If you need install for the Wi-Fi, this here the printer Wi-Fi. Okay, maybe this here printer Wi-Fi. If you need install driver for the Wi-Fi, you connect the printer for the Wi-Fi and you click button Wi-Fi. Your laptop search connect the printer and uh you click run IP driver. You click automatic print. And if you need question, comment below. If you need link download, if you need a question, comment below. If you need link download below description. Thank you for watching.